The YOUNGAR L-shaped desk offers a versatile design, allowing it to be configured as either a reversible L shape or an extended straight desk, making it adaptable to various workspace needs. With a spacious desktop measuring 69.3 inches by 18.9 inches, this desk provides ample room for a monitor, keyboard, and other essentials while maintaining a tidy workspace. This desk features an ergonomic display stand with LED lights, enhancing your workspace with adjustable colors and brightness and promoting a more comfortable viewing experience. Equipped with 4 power sockets and 2 USB charging interfaces, the desk allows you to power multiple devices simultaneously, adding convenience to your work or gaming setup. Constructed with a high-quality metal frame and medium-density fiberboard, the desk is designed for durability and stability, ensuring it remains steady during use. The desk is easy to assemble with clear instructions and available video tutorials, and is backed by reliable customer service for any assistance you may need.